Speaking of the system database backup page, now you will probably want to try and avoid this page as often as you can because it's not really meant to be used. However, it is good to know how it functions and why it is there. The entire Notion system that I built is built on these databases that then I created different views and connected them together to get something that looks more like this. It's much prettier, but this is essentially the foundation. I do suggest just not really messing with this, but if you do ever need to see everything from like a bird's eye view, it can be kind of helpful to come in here and look at everything that is in your whole Notion. Notion's search function is also quite phenomenal. I know a few people who don't even really navigate their Notion themselves. They just are constantly searching for things, and you can always find what you're looking for that way too. That's the database backup page. It is just there to hold all of the data and information that the template is then built on top of. It doesn't really need to be utilized, but can be a good bird's eye view option if you are needing to edit something on a larger scale. Most people, though, shouldn't need to really ever use it or open the page, except for when you go to delete the data.